There is a reason why some of the earliest human footprints in Andhra Pradesh appear near the Krishna Godavari belt. Civilizations do not begin randomly, they begin where geography quietly whispers. You can survive here. And in prehistoric Andhra, the Krishna and Godavari rivers were not just water bodies. They were ancient highways of survival, memory, trade, faith, and power. Pause and think about this. Before kings, before temples, before written history itself, rivers were already governing human behavior. The fertile alluvial plains of the Krishna Godavari system attracted Neolithic and Chalcolithic communities because settled agriculture became possible there. Abundant water, predictable flooding, fertile silt, fishing resources, and forest cover created what historians call an ecological advantage zone. Sites like Nagarjunakonda and regions around the Godavari Valley reveal evidence of early farming, microlithic tools, pottery, and cattle domestication. In simple terms, these rivers converted wandering humans into settled societies. But the influence went deeper than food. Rivers create networks. The Krishna Godavari basin enabled movement of people, ideas, and goods between the Deccan Plateau and coastal Andhra. Early communities developed trade habits through riverine mobility. Over time, occupation patterns became denser near river banks because economic life clustered around water security. Geography slowly became destiny. And then comes the cultural layer, the most fascinating part. Rivers were not merely economic assets, they became sacred entities. Early fertility cults, nature worship, and later Vedic influences merged around river centered spiritual practices. Civilization begins materially, but it survives emotionally through belief. Here is the bigger insight. The Krishna Godavari system proves that geography is not a backdrop to history, it is history's silent scriptwriter. Empires may claim credit later, but rivers write the first chapter of civilization.